Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Design with Lomis. Today we are going to learn how to download PNG image without backgrounds and also discover how to change a background image to PNG using your smartphone. So without further ado, let's dive in and explore these exciting techniques together. First and foremost, we create a new background. We have a new background. Then we go to our browser. It depends on which type of browser you are using. Are you using Google Chrome, Opera Mini, or any other browser? For me, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So there are different websites in which you can actually download your PNG for free. For me, I'm going to use Clean PNG. When you directly go into your Google, you can find it for yourself. We have cleanpng.com, we have png3.com, we have stickpng.com, and we have numerous number of them. So for me, I'm going to go with what? cleanpng.com. You can actually type clean, the word clean, right? PNG, you can see I've been going through this website. I'll pick the first option, cleanpng.com. So like I said earlier, you can actually download a PNG from a website, and you can also convert your image to PNG manually, downloading an app from a Play Store. We call it photo background changer. That's what the app is called. You can go directly to your Play Store, which I will guide us through. While the PNG is downloading, it may be a PNG of a chair, of a house, of a car, and even letters. Instead of writing it manually, you can actually have a PNG of it. Is that understood? So we have a PNG of a letter H, we have a PNG of chair, we even have a PNG of a young lady sitting. So I will go with the young lady, the cartoon girl, Asian girl. So you can see it's downloading. Well, all these options showing. Remember, your data has to be on, right? Decline the cookies, so that it can't block your view while you are doing your project. And you take it up also. It says what? Free download. Then you click the button free download, right? You can see the size is 12 MB and the resolution. Now it's starting to download. After it's concluded its downloading, then we can use it to perform a specific task. Then we can bring it to our project. It says starting to download. While you can see the option here, see notification for downloading status. Here it is. Let me click there so we can view it properly. Yes, see notification. It is downloading. How it's actually booting. Good. I think we'll go to our downloads to find if we can get it there. Picture. This is actually the PNG downloaded to the website cleanpng.com. Like I said earlier, there are two ways to download a PNG photos, an image. There's actually one that you can download an image without the background, which is using the website www.cleanpng.com. There's also the other one, which you can just only download a photo background changer from your Play Store. So after downloading that from your Play Store, yes, you can see the image is a bit clearer now. Okay, we are going to use this image in our project. Okay, let me just quickly take it. Let me go back to our project so that I can cite an example with it at the dashboard presently. Okay, let's go. Click the plus sign. And now we do it. Click the plus sign. Then you go directly to the downloads where we can fetch the recent PNG that we just downloaded through the website, but cleanpng.com. I want to take it directly to the folder. It's more easier to be located at the folder. Alright, we go to downloads. You go to download, that's exactly where you find your project. You can see how it blends with the background. You can actually change this background color. You know that. Let's see. Go to color, and it will still blend with the background of the picture in the background, right? That's how a PNG works. It's easily fitting with the background, right? Now let me bring an image that is not convert it to PNG, and you will see the difference and why you need to use the website to obtain your PNG, or why you need to use the background changer to convert it or to change it from JPEG to PNG. So I'm going to use a photo. Okay, let me use this photo that has a background. You see the difference. When you try blending it with the background, it doesn't look good, right? Okay, here you want to place this. How will it work? Of course, okay, you can see it doesn't rhyme with the background. It doesn't rhyme as a graphic, right? So what we are going to do now is to change this particular picture to PNG. Now, using the app background changer we downloaded in our Play Store, right? Let me delete it. Now let's go to the Play Store. You type Play Store, right? Now when you go to your Play Store, you just you go to the search box, then you just type background changer. There's a ready background that I downloaded, but I'm just going to give us an example. Say background is messing up. Yes, background remover, background changer. They are optional. Remove background app. So I'm going to go with background changer, so that you can see numbers of them that you can actually download. You see we have them here, scores of them. It depends on the phone you are holding, right? Now for this, it will work with Infinix Hot 8, Infinix Hot 10, Infinix Hot 12. It can easily the app can easily work on that. The mobile responsiveness suits that device, right? Now you can just actually pick one and download it. But let me take us to the one which I have. Here I have one background changer. All right. So like I said earlier, I'm going to pick up that image of a lady which we haven't removed the background to the background changer and convert it to a PNG. You can see we have two ways of the advantage the background changer has over the clean PNG is that clean PNG is optional. You actually don't know the person on the image, but for this, maybe you may be given a project, then you now decide, okay, instead of using your system, that's if you have one. For those who don't have, it will be more easier for them. They cannot wait or go and ask someone to lend them a system so that they can actually change the background. Using their smartphone with the help of background changer will make it more easier and suitable to attain, right? Okay, let me go to the image. First of all, I'll need to the image, then I'll bring the image down to the background changer. I'm actually calling the image from the background changer. I'll just log into their app. It's taking a while to download. Now we have different backgrounds which you can actually blend it with the image. But the first one you can actually use to take off the image, which is this. You actually saw the white spot. When you click on it, it will automatically change the background. It will automatically remove the background. Try moving it manually. The background is gone, right? So easily we can pick up from here after saving it and take it back to that background to blend it. Now there are other background. You can see we have other background. It means what? The other background, initial background, is what? Gone. Hello. So what we need to do is go back to that white button, both of them. Like I said, there are two ways of downloading a PNG. You can actually go to the website cleanpng, www.cleanpng.com, or you can actually download the background changer from your Play Store, right? You just type background changer and voila, you have the app. It will not take you up to 25 MB to download it. Then you can actually download the app to begin your project with. While we wait for this to save, there are other ways too. There are other websites you can actually download PNG. Maybe when you want to download ribbon, cotton, you just Just name it. No type of PNG that you're looking for that you not find in such website. That is exactly why it is making the website more folder that shows photo background. So you locate your photo there, and this is the photo we actually have removed the background. This is the photo we actually removed the background. All right, let's now make a use of it. Let's go back to our project. Here's our project. All right, we now click on the plus button. Hello. Now you can see the both of them actually blended with this background. So these are the little tasks we did today. For the try using the website every day when you need a ribbon, a text, and anything you just need. You find it on the website www.cleanpng.com. If it's a personal project that you really need to edit the photos from your mobile phone, then you can now use the Play Store. Alright, thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Design with Loomis. Have a nice day.